Today we have a broccoli peanut pasta dish with a bite of spice. It's a great budget saver. It's also vegan and only one pot is used for cooking. So let's do it. Into the pot goes 4 cups of broccoli chopped, 4 cups of chopped cabbage, 1 cup of chopped onion, 2 cups of grated sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of oil, then 2.5 heaped teaspoons of curry powder. Give it a stir, then add 4 teaspoons of garlic salt mix, a half cup of vinegar, 3 heaped tablespoons of peanut butter, and the water. Add just enough to cover the mix. Just under a liter should do, about 900 mils. Now put on a timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it'll taste quite vinegary. Anyway, don't worry, the pasta will balance it out. So now add 250 grams of pasta. I'm using spaghetti here, so I'm going to break it up before I add it to the cooking pot. Mix that in, cook for another 7 minutes. Now turn off the heat and let it stand for 2 to 3 minutes and enjoy the peanut pasta, a budget saver.